Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Assalamu alaikum. Hope everybody is doing well. We are going to continue showing our AI agentic browsers. At this moment, I'll jump right in. I've been trying a few things with ChatGPT Atlas, Perplexity Comet, and I'll focus on Perplexity Comet today. We have posted 2 videos on ChatGPT Atlas, but there will be more coming in because this is the world that we are going to get into it. And again, I'm going to try to start. I tried myself a little bit because I have to learn this thing as new as well. So with that, why don't I jump right in? And let's get to a Facebook page that I have. This is a Facebook page that I have. I went to Perplexity Comet. I showed you before how to get in. You just go to your browser. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it because sometimes I get requests for, okay, you started something, but let's say I'm new. So I am in Google Chrome at this moment. Now type Perplexity Comet Browser. You come in here and you can download. Unlike ChatGPT Atlas, Perplexity Comet Browser actually works for any laptop, Intel or Mac. So I will jump right in. Let me go. I'm just gonna close it. I have downloaded. Now you can go in, you can subscribe to it. As a student, I believe that you get 12 months for free. So I have a pro account at this moment. As a teacher, you would get the same thing as a student. In the education student, you might have to prove yourself that you are a student, like with your bill that you are paying the universities, your ID and all those things. But once you do that, you should hit the pro account. So now that I'm here, let's say I'm gonna close this thing as well, create something, a new thread. So I went to a page that I have. This is a page that I have created some time ago, and because it's a Facebook, you see automatically it starts to show you a few things. Again, I'm gonna close this assistant. So normally in a browser you would see like that. Is that right? It's a page or a Facebook, whatever you want to do. I wanted to show one particular thing in Facebook, then we can go from there. So in this particular case, this is a page. This is a page that I have created. It shows you all the stuff. So this is not my personal profile. I'm sure a lot of you already know my personal profile, but this is the page that I am going in. And what I want to do, my last one was from August 15, 2024. I want to start posting something. I have not used it properly. It looks like that it has my good LinkedIn information as well. So I will get to that. So now, how do you start the agentic side of the browser actions? I'm going to go to this assistant. You click on top right corner. I can start talking, or I can start typing as well. So let me try talking, see how does it work. I failed on that one with the Google one. Let's see. Create 5 viral, professional and engaging Facebook posts focused on AI, skills, trends, job, news and startups. These are my requirements. Tone must be professional, concise, data-driven and thought-provoking. No icons, no emojis, no images, no pictures. Target audience would be students, young professionals, startup enthusiasts. Focus on Bangladesh, also maybe global non-resident Bangladeshi and their dissidents as well. Content. Focus on the latest AI breakthroughs and open source AI development within the past week. The style should be right as if a high authority tech page with actionable insights, with clear takeaways, something people can just jump in and do, try something out, people can have experience with, okay? Must include short, impactful opening line like a hook or a tension. one key insight or some sort of statistics, brief analysis of why it matters, especially for the students and people who are getting into the workforce at this moment. There should be a call to action for engagement or reflection, like, what do you think? What does it mean? Maybe a poll or some other things. Use some very important hashtags that people are searching with. I'm going to give you a few examples, but you can try others like hashtag AI skills, hashtag AI trends, hashtag AI startups, hashtag future of work, hashtag future of education, maybe hashtag AI career, hashtag open source AI. Also focus on open source as well. Let me give you a few other instructions. Maybe like if I have posted something before, make it relevant, detect it, make sure you reference them. Okay. Maybe some sort of historical trend lines that it was this way, now it's that way, some sort of evolution and transformation. Talk about those kind of stuff as well. Of course, you make sure all post meets Facebook professional engagement tone, clear, educational, and discussion oriented, and it must be adhere to all compliances. Output all 5 posts ready to publish, and publish them sequentially in my page. Put that as posts. If you want, you can look into my LinkedIn profile as well, and my LinkedIn profile gives a professional tone of who I am. Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna post it. Looks like it this time it actually worked much better. I'm gonna read it while it's creating. See what it did. It is a long one, as you guys can see. I'm looking at the screen as well as looking at you guys. Maybe some spelling mistake, but that's okay. That could be my accent as well. Okay, clear takeaways. I can see that the hooks. These are for students, mostly for Bangladesh. Yeah, I think it got all of it. Okay, so it is actually showing the steps that it takes. So this is the reason I'm telling you this must be agentic, because the agents would figure out what they need to do, create the steps and phases, and start executing each of the steps one at a time. Summarize the task of generating 5 engaging data-driven Facebook posts and recent AI development for a professional audience. Very good. Getting source only from Facebook. I should have told them get from all the news or search in the internet. Searching related, reviewing sources, found 3 Facebook sources, searching for related AI posts and engagement strategies. Okay. Gathering recent AI breakthroughs and industry updates to craft informed, impactful Facebook posts for audience. Okay, so it's searching for latest AI breakthroughs and open source in November 2024. Great, because I want the trendy stuff. AI jobs and startup news, maybe Bangladesh, but I should have referred that global first so that we get to know it, and maybe some of them from Bangladesh as well. AI career trend statistics Bangladesh November 2025. Again, should have done that global first and then Bangladesh as well. Are you asking to create a content? Okay, it is reviewing 20 different sources, various areas, Facebook. Looks like there may be some of the stuff from global side, quite a bit of stuff from Bangladesh as well, because these are Bangladeshi sources. That's okay. So let's look into it. Here are 5 data-driven. Post 1, hook. Did you know the cost of it? Okay, post 2, post 3, post 4, post 5. Or would you like to post? Yes. Let's post it. Yes. Let's post all those. Okay. So now it should start taking over my Facebook page. Then I'll see how does it work. So initiating the actually let's read 1 or 2 posts. not Reddit anyway. Oh, did you know the cost of running advanced AI dropped by over 280 times in just 2 years? This is very important for all of us to know. Whatever we have done previously, it's kind of like significantly less at this moment, you know. Okay, let me see. Simply copy one post. I want you to post those in the Facebook page. So this is the problem that I was having also with ChatGPT Atlas as well. I had to tell it so many times. It was okay, so it took over. I can see the color changes. You can see as well. So I believe it's color changes. I'll help post this to your Facebook page. Let me first check the current state of your Facebook page and then post each. Okay, good. You can see your Facebook page. Now I'll now click what's on your mind to create the first post. Okay, what's on your mind? Creating the first post. You know, one thing I wanted to avoid, and again, you may differ. A lot of people actually like the emojis and pictures and icons. I wanted to avoid those things so that it actually looks professional to some extent. Did you know the post preview? I can see that, but you know, one thing I noticed, the markup, you see the star, that should be italic per se. I need explicit permission. Can you confirm that I should click post? Confirmed. Okay. The markup, markdown, such as star for italic, is used properly. Okay, so what I did, because I noticed one thing, please, you are good to post when ready. Okay, so I said that, okay, confirmed. Make sure markdown such as star for italic. Let me see what it does. It's gonna look into that post, make it easier for you. Add a WhatsApp button. I can see the post is processing. Let me wait it for to complete. I like that. See, this is really interesting because it's just adding that waiting for 3 seconds because sometimes it takes time to process stuff. Okay, so this caused me so many headache before. One time I was like all night up, and the issue was just put that delay somewhere. I was building a workflow automation using N8N, and once I added that delay, boom, that problem was solved. But it was such a sweaty thing for me. Okay, number one, it checked the Facebook page. It posted one. As you can see, it broke down into different tasks, and it started to build it. I'm completely hands-free at this moment. It started to add those hashtags. Bangladesh AI startup scene is buzzing, but faces a unique set of hurdles. Most startups must train. Okay, I see due to skill shortage and limited funding. This is very real. Even though we might think that there is a lot of people with AI skills, very hard to find. In fact, that's the same problem that I had. A lot of people are asking me for some AI skills, and I'm trying to look for people. You ended up doing it yourself, but everybody has limited time. Anybody can do it. If you're a student in Bangladesh, especially in computer science, you must actually. I'm sure you are very competent. You possibly know more than a lot of other people, but be that person. So this is fantastic. Just look at this. So all the action can be done. It's not only figuring out, creating the post. It's using the right trends, and you must remember it depends on how you create that post. Remember, I told you one thing, write the proper prompt. Writing that proper prompt gave you the right post. Is that right? So where do I write the prompts? I try various methods, ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek, or Claude, Anthropic. Do all of them, try all of them. I found out for me, for this one, I had built it in, I'm just going to show you very quickly, in ChatGPT. I said, create a prompt for Perplexity Comet for Facebook page. I have created the prompt. I gave him some stuff, asked for the prompt only. I read some of these things from here, but not that word by word. But then I also changed and modified. Always change and modify, make it your own. But get the professional prompt out. Once you do that a few times, you will be professional. But I still take advantage of these tools that I have, and this is really, really amazing. I love to show you some of the tools that I'm building. If I run into any issues, like I had the image resizer issue, I had some content related issue, I have some accounting related issue, I needed to pay some taxes for the houses that I rent and all those kind of stuff. I just started to build all these small apps that run locally in my machine, not even going and subscribing it. Building a local app is so simple. Cursor, I use the Cursor, as well as Cloud Code. Actually, as I have a paid Cloud Code version, so I use that. Cursor is the free one at this moment that I use. It has some limit to it, but I started using it. It's enough. I do have the paid Lovable version. You guys are trying that Lovable version. You have seen that we have built so many different applications with that one. And now Lovable is getting significantly better. Every single thing, as you see, it's like whatever used to cost $280 before, now it's costing you $1. So the cost is so less, everybody will be jumping and doing this stuff. Alright, let's go back to this page, and you can see it's creating the next post. So it's completed 24 steps. If you can look at it, what are the steps? I'm just gonna go through. Wow, 24 steps. That's interesting. So many steps, and this is the benefit of the Agentic AI. I'm going to do one step. It prepares, it assists, you can see the post-processing, wait to complete, and WhatsApp pop-up has appeared. It click not now to dismiss because I may not have the WhatsApp set up here. Oh, I like it. This shows a professional dashboard. So then I can start posting all this stuff. Great, the first post is being published. I can see the posting indicator. Okay, good. So one post at a time. It wait 3 seconds. I love that one because of the fact sometimes it takes. Then you see that it crosses off like the way normally I do. Really, I have this small notebook. I take this, I do stuff, and I cross off. I'm planning to buy a digital notebook. I should do that, e-ink oriented, but those are extremely costly. Needed to make the right decision. I was looking at Remarkable. Maybe I'll do that research next. But if you're looking at it, you see this is very reasoning oriented. Okay, so it created 28 steps, and it has successfully published all 5 posts. I'm going to look into each one of them. See this, okay, this is just posted. AI in Bangladesh, huge promise, but bold action is needed to stay globally competitive. Up to 70% AI exposed. So, I'm gonna make some changes. However, here is one thing that I can do. This is the thing that I like the most. What I can do, I would try to create this as, hold on one second, where am I? Save that query as shortcut. My screen is right there. My simple video screen is here, taking with my phone. So that's why I just have to look a little below. But if you look at this, you come to the Comet Perplexity Assistant. You see these 3 dots. If you come here, I want to save this query as a shortcut. This is something I want to do continuously. Let's say once a week. Okay. So save the query as a shortcut, and it is gonna name them. Make sure Markdown used properly. Oh, okay. This is the latest one. So I don't really want this one. I want the generation of the posts. I want you to post this in Facebook page. Simply copy. Okay, this is the one. So meaning that every prompt, every query that you have typed, which we call it the prompt, I can create that as a shortcut. Post all those. Nah, that's not the one either. I'm just gonna give me one more second. Not these 4 posts. Okay, all posts comply with your profession. Okay, this is the one. You need to pick the right one as we are going through it. So now it says the whole prompt, okay, but you can try others. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna type one thing. Oops. Save query as a shortcut. Give me 1 second. I am going to save query as a shortcut, and it says create AI viral Facebook post BD global. Okay, good. I can create that, and there are a few things that you get to see in more action side, but I'm just gonna save it as such. So now that I have it, so next time if I want to create it, if I do a backslash, right away create AI viral Facebook, simple as that. Whatever is something that I need to do, it's already written up. So any prompt that I really like, I can just save it, I can reuse it. That is fantastic. Even if you go, I believe even if I go to a new page, I should be able to look. Oops, no, it doesn't do that. So I have to go to that particular page. It was working before, maybe I had the other page open already. So similarly, you can use any of your social network. I can do the same thing actually in Facebook, in LinkedIn as well, and I can create the post, and I can actually make this post. All posts are professional. See, there are 5 posts, so you can see. And some of the posts that I was trying to do for LinkedIn as well. So similarly, you can use Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, anything that you can go to your browser. The browser can take action and do that. So as you can see, all the posts are here. We have completed. What we have learned is that went to Comet Browser, use that browser action, use that agentic mode, and created 5 posts, posted it. All of those things done, hands off. And I only touched the assistant. I have not even clicked anything over there. With that, thank you very much. I really appreciate your time. Hopefully you learned something. Be positive, make a good difference, and be a good friend of everybody, And again, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Assalamu alaikum.